What up guys, mid-Dec here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the DIMO Macaron. Now if you want to learn more about the DIMO Macaron and how it earns you passive rewards just by driving your car, get you free crypto, then definitely go check out this video. If you would like to see the AutoPi being unboxed and set up, check out this video. Anyways, we're just going to take a quick unboxing of this, show you how to set it up, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it right now. Get my secret scissors. Ooh, instructions. Ooh. Oh, dude, this is going to be so much easier and nicer. So the AutoPi, it has an issue where it kind of sticks out and stuff. This, I think I'm going to be able to put directly into my car, into the car computer slot, so that way I don't have to worry about like it falling off like it has before on me. I think this is just going to slide right in, and that's going to be awesome. So I asked DIMO, why do they call it the Macaron? And they said that they're trying to name all their devices after food. So the AutoPi was the last one. This is the Macaron. So I thought that was really cool. And actually, the first time I ever had a Macaron was earlier this year at the Renaissance Festival. Let's take a look. We're at Yuletide Village here in Renaissance in Ohio.
Let's give it a shot.
Dink it.
Sink it.
Yeah, actually pretty good.
Kind of like a York peppermint patty.
So if you guys didn't know, DIMO actually sent me this Macaron for free, and because of that and the partnership that they decided to give for this video and the previous video and the next video is going to be a giveaway. So let me explain what's going on here. So if you didn't know, I'm actually doing a giveaway on the channel for a free Macaron. In order to enter, all you're going to need to do is follow me on Twitter, follow DIMO on Twitter, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to DIMO's YouTube channel, and then like this video and then comment down below. You can have up to 2 entries if you comment on this video and the previous video where I talk about the Macaron. And then in January, probably mid-January, I'm going to be announcing the winner in that video. So be sure to go ahead and hit that bell while you're down there so that way you don't miss the winner announcement in the next video, where I share how many DIMO tokens I actually have been earning for at least 1 month of using the DIMO Macaron. And if you're watching this video and you're like, Matthew, I don't really care about giveaways, I never win giveaways, maybe the giveaway is over by the time you're watching this, then I still have something for you. Use code MATLONG6 to get 10% off your own DIMO device. So you can see here I have the DIMO AutoPi already in and running. However, it always falls off right here and it's a little too big. And that's why I moved it over here so that way I wouldn't trip on it and stuff. I made a little short video about it before, but it's right in there now. And what's going to be nice is I won't need this big long cord, because with the DIMO Macaron, it's so small and convenient and cheaper that I can just plug it directly in without any extension cords or any wires. Anyways, let's go ahead and power up the app now and show you how to connect it. So after you download the DIMO mobile app, go ahead and log in, and let's go ahead and connect the DIMO right now. So let's connect the car. Let's go ahead and hit next and just follow the prompts on screen. In this case, I use MetaMask. Make sure you're connected to the Polygon network, because DIMO uses the Polygon network in order to send your rewards. Now, with the Macaron specifically, they use the Helium network for helping with location and transfer of data. However, for actually receiving rewards, they use the Polygon network. So let's go ahead and hit next. And if you guys didn't know, if you have a car that is able to download apps like a Tesla, you can actually just download the DIMO app. You do not earn as many rewards, but there's a lot of options here for you. However, in this case, we're using a DIMO device, earns more rewards. The Macaron will earn less rewards than the AutoPi, but it'll earn more rewards than the app. So let's go ahead and use a DIMO device. Now, we already bought one, so let's start pairing. Now, this process will only take a few moments. However, DIMO likes to remind you to watch out for fumes. If you're inside of a garage connecting this and whatnot, do not suffocate yourself with all the fumes. Let's go ahead and continue on. So right now it's searching for devices. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. So now it found the device, let's go ahead and proceed. Let's pair. Now, if you're having an issue like I am, it's probably because you already have a DIMO connected to this car. If you don't already have a DIMO in your car, then you can just skip this step. So in order to fix that, you want to go back to the main menu and click the little keys up here and click connections. Go ahead and remove this device. Now, it shouldn't reset how many weeks you have been connected as long as you reconnect the DIMO to the same car. So I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. It will have you sign to make sure that you are the person doing this and not someone else who stole your phone and stuff. So go ahead and make it official on the blockchain. So let's go ahead and connect a new device, connect to a DIMO device, and go through the same process real quick and get back to where we were. Now we need to go ahead and start the firmware update. During this process, please also make sure that you are connected to the internet or using your cell phone data. Now the firmware is updated, let's continue pairing. Sweet, and now your Macaron configuration files are ready and complete. Let's go ahead and transfer ownership. Now do keep in mind that you're going to need some Matic, which is also known as Polygon, in your MetaMask wallet in order to sign the transaction. Now that you have ownership on the blockchain, let's go ahead and proceed. So now let's go ahead and link the vehicle and device together. Sweet, now that they're paired together, let's proceed. And now everything's all good. And there you have it, everything's connected and everything. You can go up to your keys and see your connections and see that it's connected. If you see this orange bar right here, that's because you're not in a very good spot with Helium hotspots to keep track of your location. So your location data might be a little spotty, but it's still working and you're still earning rewards. If you would like to know where Helium hotspots are and make sure that you're within range, you can always go to the Helium Explorer and zoom around and you'll be able to see the green dots of where there is service. And also keep in mind that they're using the IoT to connect to the DIMO and not the 5G hotspot portion of the Helium hotspots. So you may have noticed that in last video I bought a splitter thing to connect two DIMO devices to one vehicle. However, that's not going to work because DIMO only allows you to connect one device per vehicle, which also makes sense. You're not going to get rewarded for providing the same data twice. Well, anyways, guys, that is the DIMO Macaron. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching me unbox it and set it up. Don't forget to join the giveaway and use code MATTLONG6 to buy your own DIMO device. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. And remember, stay safe, trade safe, watch out for scams, and God bless. Peace. Break the safety seal.